benefits of requirements management would include requirements management enhances visibility into the development, testing, and validation process, ensuring full traceability throughout the product lifecycle. Managing hundreds or thousands of requirements is complex, but a centralized solution reduces risk by streamlining workflows and providing a single source of truth. Requirements management software ensures clear traceability and transparency, making it easier to demonstrate compliance with regulatory standards. Centralized requirements allow teams to easily reuse them across different products or iterations, saving time and resources in the development process. A unified solution enables real-time collaboration across teams, locations, and time zones, helping to manage diverse work streams efficiently. Better traceability, reuse, collaboration, and compliance management reduce costly errors, ultimately lowering overall development costs.